Hello everyone. So welcome to another lecture of liquid solution. So if you have seen the previous video, there we have discussed about the ideal and non-ideal solution, right? So now in today's video we will discuss about the ideal non-ideal solution showing positive deviation as well as negative deviation. Okay. So before that I will give you one basic idea regarding the ideal solution, or we can say that I will discuss a graph of ideal solution first, so that you will be it will be very easy for you to identify the graph of this non-ideal solution showing negative deviation as well as positive deviation. Okay, so if you will see the graph of ideal solution graph, let's take the graph like this. Okay, so in one place here we will take pure B, okay, pure B, and in this side we will take pure A. Now just think like this. I have told you that mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. This one we have discussed in the first lecture, right? So here you just see, if it is pure B only, right? So if it is pure B here, means what we can say that mole fraction of A will be what? 0, right? As well as mole fraction of B will be equal to 1, right? Because you just see 1 plus 0 will be 1, as I have told you, mole fraction of A plus B is equal to 1, right? So same thing here, you just apply. Here mole fraction of A will be 1 and mole fraction of B will be 0. Okay, so now just see, if this is pure A, right, it means here will be, here in this line there will be a where P naught A. Let's take here it is P naught A. P naught A is what I have told you in the second lecture, that vapor pressure of pure A. And if you're talking about this pure B, the graph will be something here. Let's take the example. It is suppose here it is P naught B. Okay, so if you will just match this line like this, okay, match this line like this. So this is the graph of what? Ideal solution graph. And this line is a P total. This is the line of P total, which is P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. Okay, here this is of PA, this is PA, so which is equal to P naught A zeta A, and this is the line of PB, this is called P naught B zeta B. So this is the graph of ideal solution graph. I hope all of you have understood this, right? Now here we have to deal with the ideal non-ideal solution showing negative deviations. Means negative deviations, just try to understand this when it comes to negative deviation. So if you are discussing about the negative deviation, the first criteria is this P total. Whatever the P total which you are seeing here, P naught A zeta A and P naught B zeta B, it will be less than P total. Okay, it means P total will be less than this P naught A zeta A and P naught B zeta B. The first criteria, just I have told you, P total, whatever the P total we will get, it will be less than, okay, it will be P total will be less than P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. Why? Just see like this. What is happening here actually? We have previously we have taken two components, right? Component A and B. So when it was separate, when this A was separately in a separate container, B was in a separate container, at that time some vapor pressure was there, and some force of attraction was between A and B, right? Between AA molecules, and the force of attraction was some force of attraction was between BB molecules, right? But now, as when we have mixed these two together, at that time AB has formed, right? AB has formed in the same way as you can see, AB has formed. So what we can say that after mixing, whatever the interactions was present before the mixing, okay? When the component A and B was there only, suppose this is the container A where A was there, this is the container B where B was there. Now what we have did, we have mixed this AB. Now here AB is there. So when A was there, at that time there was a force of attraction between AA particles and the force of attraction between BB particles was there, right? Now when we have mixed this, we have got a new interactions which is AB interactions, right? So what we have seen that in non-ideal solution showing negative deviation, what we have seen that this interaction AB interaction is greater than this AA interaction as well as BB interaction. Okay, what we can say that what we have seen that this AB interactions, right, is greater than AA interactions and BB interactions, right? I hope you are understanding this. पहले जो इन दोनों के बीच में जो इंटरेक्शंस था, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जो इन दोनों के बीच में था, इन दोनों के बीच में था, जब इन दोनों को मिला दिए उस समय में जो AB बना, उन दोनों के बीच का फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा था इन AA इंटरेक्शंस और BB इंटरेक्शन से. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द थर्ड थिंग, अब just see here, when the interactions AB interactions is greater than AA interactions and BB interactions, means what? The molecules has came closer in the case of AB, right? That is why, since if the force of attraction between this, if the force of attraction between AB is greater, is increased, is, or we can say that is greater than AA interactions and BB interactions, at that time what we have seen that AB between A and B, the force of attraction has increased, and since the force of attraction has increased, the molecule has came closer to each other, right? So when the molecule has came closer to each other, at that time what we can say that when we will vaporize this, less vapor will form, right? And since the less vapor is forming, the vapor pressure will be less. That's why here you can see that P total is less than P naught A zeta A and P naught B zeta B. Let me make you clear once again. Just see. Just now we have seen that A B interactions is greater than AA and BB interactions, right? Means what has happened here? In case of this, the molecule, the force of attraction between these two has increased, right? The force of attraction between these two has increased. Now the molecule will hold tightly in this case as compared to these two. Then that what will happen? This less vapor will form with this and this as compared to this and this, right? So that is why less vapor is forming, less vapor pressure will form, and that's why P total is less than here P naught A zeta A and P naught B zeta B. I hope you have understood this. मतलब क्या है कि पहले के केस में जो ये AA और BB के बीच में जो इंटरेक्शंस था, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन था, ठीक है, वो अब बढ़ गया है AB के केस में. AA में जब कुछ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगा, BB के बीच में कुछ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन था, लेकिन अब AB के फॉर्म में, AB के केस में बढ़ गया इंटरेक्शंस. तो अब और हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि AB के बीच का जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो अब बढ़ गया है. तो अब क्या होगा कि AB और मजबूती से एक दूसरे को पकड़ के रखेंगे. तो जब हम लोग वेपर में इसको कन्वर्ट करना चाहेंगे तो वो बहुत कम वेपर बनेगा, क्योंकि हम लोग को ज्यादा हीट देना पड़ेगा. और जो इस केस में जो हीट देते थे, जितना वेपर बनता था, उस केस में जितना उतना ही हीट अगर इस केस में देंगे तो कम वेपर बनेगा. तो कम वेपर बनने से क्या होगा? वेपर प्रेशर कम होगा, और वेपर प्रेशर कम होने से क्या होगा? यहाँ पे P total is less than P naught A zeta A, P naught B zeta. So I hope these two concept is clear, right? And next is, which one is same, that is if these two interaction and force of attraction between AB has increased, it means that delta B mixing will be greater than will be delta B mixing will be less, and LH mixing also will be less. Okay, so I hope you have understood this negative deviation. The first thing is P total is less than P naught A zeta A, P naught B zeta B. Why? Because of the force of attraction between AB has increased, and since the molecule has came closer to each other, means what we can say that now the molecule are closer to each other, volume has decreased. That is why what we can say that del B mixing has decreased, and here del H mixing is also decreased. Okay, now we will see the graph. When we are seeing the graph, at that time what I have told you, the same in this graph only I will just try to make you understand, or let me do it again. So let's understand this with a graph for no negative deviation. So for negative deviation, what I have told you, the same graph pattern will be same. Okay, nothing will change much here. The same thing what I have told you here, what I have given, mole fraction of A is 0 here, and here mole fraction of B is 1. Okay, and in this case mole fraction of A is 1 and mole fraction of B is 0. So just now I have given you the graph of ideal solution, right? So the ideal solution graph was something like this. Right? This is our P naught A, and little bit higher than this. This was our P naught B. P naught B, और ये हो जाएगा P total. ये हो गया P total का graph. So this is the graph of an ideal solution, right? But what we have seen here, we are discussing about non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Negative deviation मतलब अब सब कुछ कम हो जाएगा. Previously this was P naught A, right? So since everything is decreasing, right? So in this case the graph will be something like this. यहाँ भी घट जाएगा थोड़ा सा. Here also it will decrease like this, and here also it will decrease like this. And how much it will decrease, it will depend on the type of solution we have taken. Okay, so this is the graph of non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Everything has decreased. You just see, this was the graph of what? P naught A. This was the graph of P naught B, and this is the P total. Now everything has decreased here. You just see what we can say that here P total is less than P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. Next thing, you just see what we can say that PA or P observed. Okay, PA observed, what we can say that PA observed is also less than P naught A zeta A, and PB observed is also less than P naught B zeta B, right? So as you can see, everything is less. You just see the graph is going like this. So this is our P total. Okay, this is our PA, and this is our PB, right? So P total will be P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B. Here PB is P naught A, P naught B zeta B, and here also P naught A zeta A. Okay, so this is the graph of ideal solution showing non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. I hope all of you have understood this, right? And let's take the example. So example, you can take a strong acid and water, or you can say that chloroform and CH3CO CS3. So these are some of the examples which you have to keep in mind while doing this. Okay, so I hope it is clear, right? Now we will see next, in which the non-ideal solution will be showing a positive deviation. So in case of positive deviation, just see one thing. This P total, which we are seeing here, this P total will increase. Okay? This P observed also will increase. Force of attraction, now it will be reversed. Force of attraction between AB will decrease, will be less than AA and BB. And the next thing is delta V mixing will be now greater than this 0, and del H mixing will be also greater than 0. Okay, let's do that one. So in positive deviation, what we can say that, first of all we will talk about P total. So P total is what? You just see, we will first discuss about the force of attraction, because with that force of attraction this P total is linked. So in positive deviation, you just see force of attraction, okay, between AB, okay, between AB, it will be less than AA interactions and BB, AA and BB. ओके, मतलब क्या है कि अब जो AB बनेगा वो AB के बीच में जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो कम होगा, जो कि AA के केस में था और BB के केस में था. AA और BB के केस में जो था उससे अब AB का इंटरेक्शन जो है वो कम हो गया. So just see, if the interactions between A and B, or we can say that the force of attraction between A and B is now decreased, then what will happen? The molecule will go far away from each other. समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब क्या हो जाएगा कि अगर AB का इंटरेक्शंस एक दूसरे से, ये जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ये कमजोर हो जाएगा, तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा इन दोनों को तोड़ना, राइट? when this force of attraction between AB is less than AA and BB, at that time it will be very easy for you it is very easy to what we consider separate them, right? इसको तोड़ना बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा. अगर इसको हम लोग जब वेपोराइज करेंगे, जब तो वेपर बहुत जल्दी वेपर बन जाएगा, क्योंकि ये दोनों का इंटरेक्शन कमजोर है. थोड़ा सा हीट देने तो जल्दी से वेपोराइज हो जाएगा. सो एट दैट टाइम, सिंस the interactions of AA and force of attraction of AA and BB is less than AB, then in that case what will happen? The molecule will go far away from each other. At that time it can vaporize easily, more vapor will form, and since the more vapor is forming, more vapor pressure will also form, right? So in that case what we can say that P total, okay, P total will be greater than P naught A zeta A and plus P naught B zeta B, right? So in the same case what we can say that PA observed will also be greater than P naught A zeta A and PB observed is also greater than P naught B zeta B. Understood? And here force of attraction we have already talked about. Okay. Now the third thing is delta V mixing. Delta V mixing, it will also become greater than 0, and del H, enthalpy of mixing, it will also be greater than 0. Now you have understood. Just see. Why the volume will increase? Molecule will go, since the force of attraction between the molecule is less, that's why it will go far away from each other. At that time the volume will increase. देखो दोनों के बीच का जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है AB का, वो कम हो जाएगा. कम होने से क्या होगा? ये लोग आसानी से एक दूसरे से दूर भाग सकेंगे. तो दूर भागेंगे तो क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम को इंक्रीज करेंगे. So that's why it is written here del V mixing is greater than 0. Understood? So I hope this is clear, right? For positive deviation. Now we will try to understand with a graph. So I will draw here the graph. The graph will be same what we have did in non-ideal. First of all, we will draw the graph of an ideal solution, which is here what we have written. Zeta A is 0, zeta B is 1. Here also zeta A is 1 and zeta b is 0, and this was the graph, right? For ideal solution, this was the graph, right? This was the graph for ideal solution. This was of P naught B, and this was of P naught A, and this was P total, right? Now what in this case, everything has increased. You just see P total has increased, P naught A will increase, P naught B will increase, del V mixing has increased, del H mixing has increased. Means previously in the negative deviation the graph was going from down from here, right? But in this case everything will be higher, like this. Everything will be greater, as you can see in this case, like this, right? P total will also increase like this, right? So what we considered, P total is greater than here, right? P total is greater than P naught A zeta A plus P naught B zeta B for this line, okay, not for this line. This is the line of ideal solution, okay? Here also in this case same thing will happen here, P naught A zeta A, in this case here P naught B zeta B. So as you can see, in positive deviation, what we can say that everything has increased. You just see this one has increased, this one has increased, PA has increased, P naught B has increased, P total has increased, right? Why it has increased? Because the force of attraction between AB has decreased, right? Is less. So since it is less, then molecule can easily go far away from each other. At that time, it will be very easy for these molecules to get vaporized, and then at that time, what will happen? More vapor will form, and since more vapor is forming, more vapor pressure will also form. That is why you see here P total has increased, right? PA or has increased, PB has increased, and since volume has increased, del P also increased. So this was the all about your ideal solutions showing positive as well as negative deviation. So these two, positive deviation and negative deviation, is very important for your exam point of view for MBOS, okay? For MBOS syllabus it is very important because in 2019 they have asked this, okay? So this was all about your ideal solution showing positive deviation as well as negative deviation. So keep up to this. In the next class we will discuss about Henry's law, okay, and after that Van 't Hoff factor. So till that, thank you and have a nice day.